Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this white Toyota Yaris Cross. Now of course this is the 2024 model, and of course walking around you'll notice you get full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and then you also get these brilliant 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. You get full keyless entry as well on this car, and I will also go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition of the alloys. Coming around to the rear, as you can see, we've got your little reversing camera just up at the top there, which does make this thing nice and easy to park. Then into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here. The previous owner has clearly had a protection pack fitted onto this car to make sure that the interior is well protected on the back of the seats and the boot floor. You do also get 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming round again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've then got full electric windows all round. As I did mention earlier, we have got full keyless entry, which you can see by the little grooves on the door handle. Inside the car now, we've got your electric handbrake with auto hold. We've got your EV mode just here. We've got your traction control off, and then we've also got your drive select just here, so you can go between eco, normal and power. We've then got your CVT gearbox in the middle. Then we've got climate control in the front, as you can see. And then coming up to the top, we have got your various audio sources on the right hand side. You've also got Bluetooth hands-free within this screen as well. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your volume, voice assistant, and then of course we do also have your audio controls on the left, your Bluetooth hands-free and return button at the top. I'm fairly certain that these buttons do also control your onboard computer. You've then got your track select, mode, cruise control in the middle, lane keep assist and distance control on the right. You've got 4 automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 1,563 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Toyota Yaris Cross, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.